Oh, we have come to Hari Sahib's bungalow.
Come from the ancient times.
Really, we are very excited and entered the medieval ages. Look, the structures, all the religion have confluenced here. Here is the dome-like structure of the Muslim religion. But why this Durga ideal is here?
Actually, the tradition of celebrating the Durga festival started with the Hari Sahib's period. It is the British period and it is still continuing. Perhaps they want to show that the tradition has not died. It had been started in the Raj times and it is still going on. And the structure looks so old and medieval in nature, as if the Mughal architecture is the glimpse we are getting over here.
And here look at the pigeons there. And what does this signify?
I think it's the ancient heritage of our culture. It is really brilliant how our culture has evolved through the ages. We are standing today in the modern times and yet we find that all the traditional things are still going on with us. After all, India is an oldest civilization and it is proud that we Indians are always giving culturally very useful things to the world.
And here is the idol of Shiva, and there is Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwar, the creator of this universe. And without this creator, our world would not have been created. And so, whenever Goddess Durga comes to this earth, we always worship Goddess Shiva with her. Because without them, this universe would not have been created.
Traditional belief always says that Goddess Durga always comes with her consort Shiva. After all, without a husband, a wife is nothing. And that very principle has been shown in the structural brilliance of this ancient puja. One of the assets of our great heritage that we Indians are always proud of.
But this is make real. What the truth is, this is a puja mandap of the Salt Lake FC block, and we www.viewindia.com has come to visit this pandal.
View India has taken into many places and this is one of those places which is the cynosure of all the eyes. The devotees that throng in every day of the 5-day festival is immense. The sea of humanity that comes all over the places and see this goddess, it's a tribute to the high degree of workmanship, and the paintings and the building has been created in such a manner. The whole mannerism is present only through the spray painting.
Now we have come to another temple of God Shiva, and again there is the structure, and this is God Shiva, and whenever we worship our goddess, we also worship God Shiva with him.
Creation and destruction are always going side by side. Without creation, creation cannot begin without destruction. While Shiva symbolizes destruction, Goddess Durga epitomizes creation.